Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's beautiful brand new Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Cloud9 forward view extended balcony. What I love about it is you get all of those fantastic spa services, so you can take advantage of the thermal suite. You have some upgraded amenities in here, a couple complimentary classes, and also you're right up here on deck 17, and right around the corner you're going to find the exclusive elevator just to head right on down and enjoy the spa. Now, if you want to book this room or any room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. Got the interactive deck plans. You can pick the one that's perfect for you. Now, keep in mind the ones in the very middle of the ship have slightly larger balconies. Let me show you what this room's all about. Now, when you walk in the door, make sure you put your key card in this energy saving device here. That way you can activate all of the electrical and the charging in the room. You've got your climate control right here, and directly across, you're going to find your storage. So first off, you're going to find your Cloud9 robe right there, one of those really nice amenities that come with the upgraded room. You can customize the shelves up and down as you like, so if you want more hanging space, you can put them up or you can put them down. You've got the slippers as well, and then right here you're going to have your safe, perfect for a small device, passport, wallet, things like that. And then down below you're going to have these drawers. I really love how they pull out. It's really nice and convenient, and down at the bottom it does the same as well. Now, right next to it, you're going to find more of your storage. Basically the same thing. You've got hanging room space right there, and you also have the shelves that can go up and tuck away depending on what your needs are. Now, across from there, you're going to find the bathroom. Now, you've got the toilet tucked in the corner, your magnifying mirror, a little bit of storage up and down. You've got a plug for a shaver, a single vanity right here. I'm going to step into the shower. I'm 6'6". I'm a big guy. I love with the way they've constructed these. I can fit in here. You're going to have your shower wand that can adjust up and down as you need. And another one of those upgraded amenities, the Elemis bath amenities. They're really nice. Now, as we head into the main part of the room, you're going to have your bed right here. It's together, so you have a larger bed. You can also separate it apart and have two twins if you'd like. They're always going to do turn down service every single evening, and then in the morning, they'll make it up for you. Now, there's plenty of storage room underneath, and on either side of the bed, you're going to have a reading lamp and two USB chargers. It's really nice they have the chargers there, so you can charge your phone overnight. Directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. As we continue through the space, over here you're going to have the couch. This can double as a bed as well. There's a reading lamp tucked in the corner for that purpose. And then directly across, you've got a large backlit vanity mirror. You can sit here and use it as a writing desk, or of course, you can utilize it to get ready. You've got a nice charging station here, 3 US plugs, 4 USB chargers. You've got drawers underneath, a little bit more storage. You also have a mini fridge and a few more shelves up there for storage as well. Now, at the front of the ship, you're going to find the Cloud9 elevator that can access the thermal suite. So I'm going to head right through the door here, and tucked just around the corner there is that really extra convenient elevator. So it's not part of the main elevator bank, but you just head right over here. You're going to press the button, and it's a single elevator. It's going to go all the way down to deck 5 for the Cloud9 spa for you. So in the name of this category is extended balcony, and that's exactly what it is. You're sitting on top of the bridge, looking out and take advantage of the incredible views. And right here is your private space. It actually is very private for the forward-facing verandas here on board. I think the spa ones are the best in that sense. You're going to have 2 chairs and a table, perfect place where you can take advantage of that room service menu, maybe have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, or a cocktail in the evening. But what this is all about are those amazing views looking out to the front of the ship. Once again, you're sitting right on top of the bridge, the same views that the captain gets. You can see everything out there in front of you and, well, take advantage of everything that cruising has to offer. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. You can go on there, pick the exact room or suite that works for you in the interactive deck plans, and take advantage of the Harr Travel signature service. We greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you, your friends, family, or group to craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.